So we're going to solve trig equations. What solving a trig equation means is we're going to solve for x. It's a trig equation because there's trig functions in it, like sine or tangent, but we will follow the same rules we do algebraically when we're solving for x. So the first thing I do is look at what a problem has, and this one has a sine of x on this side and a negative sine of x on this side. So I want to combine these like terms first. I'm going to add sine of x on both sides to get my sine of x's combined. So I've got one of them here, so that's 2 sine of x plus square root of 2 equals, now that equals 0. I'm going to subtract this over here because I'm trying to solve for x, so I need to get rid of that. I'll subtract square root of 2 from both sides. I need to get x alone, so next I'll get rid of the 2 and I'll divide by 2. And now I have sine of x equals negative square root of 2 over 2. And I need to get x alone. How to get rid of a sine? Use sine inverse to get rid of a sine. And you have to do the same thing on both sides. So this side, sine inverse and sine cancel out. We're left with x. This side, sine inverse of negative square root of 2 over 2, we have to solve. So I'm going to look at my green sheet and remember how to do that from last chapter. Sine inverse, you only look at this side of the, unit circle. Sine is looking at the y value, so I look at every y value until I find a y value that matches what I have. And I have it right here, it's 7 pi over 4. But all of the angles in this quadrant I rename as negative angles. So 7 pi over 4 is the same distance away as pi over 4 from 0, but it's down, so I would write negative pi over 4.